Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your sales outreach and automate follow-ups more effectively, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email thread using a sequence in Hubspot, which helps you stay consistent, save time, and keep all communication organized in one place. To get started, log in to your Hubspot account. From the main navigation menu, go to Sales and then click on Sequences. If you don't see sequences right away, you can also use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you're on the Sequences page, click Create Sequence. This will open the Sequence Builder, where you can choose how your sequence is structured. Select the option to add an email step and choose to start from scratch. You'll see the email step already added. Click Create Sequence to continue. If you don't already have an automated email ready, click Add Step. Choose the email option and either create a new template or select one from your existing templates. Customize the content, then add it to your sequence. And that's it. You've successfully created an email thread using a HubSpot sequence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you streamline your outreach. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to HubSpot tutorials,